Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all gestures and motions on Honor 70 Lite. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then find the accessibility features. Here we have shortcut gestures. First one is Google Assistant, and here you'll be able to hold down the power button for 1 second to start Google Assistant, or hold it down for 3 seconds to power off your device. Now let's try it out if it works. And it works fine. Next one is to take a screenshot, and here there's multiple different options. So we can take a screenshot using our knuckle, knock twice on your screen, and this will make a screenshot. Then next one is a partial screenshot, so you'll need to knock once and then start drawing something on the screen, and whatever you draw, you will take the partial screenshot of it. Then we have a scroll shot, so if you knock once and draw S, you will take the scroll shot. And lastly, we have 3 fingers screenshot, and you need to enable it right here. And scroll down your 3 fingers from top of the screen like that, and you will also take the screenshot. Next one is record the screen, and here you need to use your 2 knuckles, knock on your phone, and it will start recording a screen. Next is wake screen, and here you need to enable both of the settings because there's entirely 2 of them. We can raise our device to turn on the screen, so that means when we let's check the other one, and I'm gonna sum them up at the end. So tap the screen twice to turn it on, and let's lock our device, pick it up in the grip, and it should wake up. The second function is knock twice on the screen, and this will also wake up the screen. Next one is a mute ringtone, and here you need to flip your phone to mute ringtones if you have call incoming. All you have to do is to pick up your phone and put it upside down, just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.